What's good, guys? Welcome back to another trading video. This video and series actually is going to be a little different because I'm going to start a series called turning $100 into $1,000. So this will be the intro along with another intro for the whole series, just to introduce new people to what the series is about and then get into the whole video after. So basically, this series is going to be turning $100 into $1,000. I'm going to prove to you guys that it's possible. Anyone can do it with starting out with $100. Now, obviously, trading is a big risk. I don't condone actually trying it out unless you're prepared. Start demo trading, paper trade, whatever it is. Also, don't take this series as financial advice at all. I'm just teaching you guys how to trade with a demo account, basically. I'm using a live account, but you guys use demo to copy, basically. All right, this series wouldn't have been made possible without the help of my new brokerage partner, and this broker is one of the best brokers in the game. They're called TIO Markets, and the reason why they're the best is because they include everything. They have forex, commodities, indices, and even futures and crypto all in one. And they have unlimited leverage and lowest spreads in the game. The lowest spreads, they have multiple different options. They have Islamic account, VIP, VIP Black, standard spread, and whatever. There's much more. So guys, go ahead and check them out. Link in the description. So again, this series wouldn't have been made possible without them. I'm going to be using them this series and for my future, rest of my future live accounts that I'll be trading with. So go ahead and click the link in the description. It also supports me as well as an affiliate and as a partner as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and support me, click the link in the description down below. All right, guys, so we are on the day before. Where's NQ? Okay, so this is the night before the trade we're gonna take tomorrow morning. Okay, so as we can see, we did take, let me remove these. So these trades, all these lines, remove all these. So we did mark out this order block up top. It was, I believe it was a 4-hour order block. Yup, 4-hour order block. So we already marked that out. And we've taken our sell trade. Now we're going to look for another sell right up top on this order block. Okay, so let me drag it out and go down to the 1 hour. See for anything that's key. Okay, so we can see right off the bat, price is failing to create a higher high. Okay, so not a higher high, close above this this market structure point. But we already did, or sorry, liquidity. I'm messing up, liquidity point. But we already made a market structure shift over here as well. We've closed with this candle, but it took us a while to close above. Price should start shooting up, but because of the low momentum, market's showing us that it doesn't really want to go up much. We're going to take this and put it into our confluences, and that can tell us that price wants to go down. It doesn't want to go up much. So there's one of two directions it can go other than up, which is down. So we're going to have price get into the zone, and if we get more confirmations tomorrow morning that it's giving us more confluences while being in the zone, that can possibly give us a short position, we are going to do that, okay? For now, if it closes above, it'll become a breaker block, just like how it did with this sell down here earlier, that our first trade took. It was a breaker block, and we're going to take a breaker block trade if it closes above the order block. If it just sweeps above it, it doesn't matter. It'll most likely start dropping down. So if we drop down to the 15-minute, see any extra key levels? Not really. Okay, so for now, this is going to be the markings for tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning I'll hop on and we'll around 9:30 around 9:30 I'll do it. We'll trade. But anyways, see you guys in the next day. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the series turning $100 to $1,000 day trading. And in this video, we actually took 2 trades back to back. So what we did is I marked out, last video I left off on the 4 hours. We marked out this order block on the 4 hours, and throughout the week I've been trying to look for, a retest back into this order block, and price just would not give it to me. So what I did is I was like, you know what, fuck it. Today I just took matters into my own hands and I did a regular trade this morning. This market structure shift with fair value gap entry was beautiful. This is a 1 to 2, 1 to 3-ish. I took back to back and it tapped it in once and didn't even look back. It just tapped it in and went straight down. I took it from this point all the way down to this liquidity zone. And to prove it to you guys, I have it on my screen over here. I did take it. So so this was the first trade. This was the first trade I took in the first episode. Second episode 13, which was today, 13.12, and then 14.89 over here. So we started off with 70 USD, 12 bucks, 13, 14. So these two at the bottom here were from today. So I took back-to-back trades, and we are now up $110.76. Woo, baby! If you ask me, shit is going good, man. All their stuff is working out. Everything's working out so far for us. And yeah, basically, we're gonna move on to the next episode 3, which is in the next couple of days. So far we're up and we're good to go. And yeah, like I said, if you guys are in need of a broker, go ahead and check out TIO Markets, link in the description. Anyways, for today's video, that's it. Ciao.